The longest hiccuping spree in history lasted an unbelievable 68 years. Imagine starting in 1922 and not getting relief until 1990. Charles Osborne, the man behind this record, hiccuped an estimated 430 million times throughout his life. Despite numerous attempts to find a cure, from medical treatments to home remedies, nothing could stop his persistent hiccups. This relentless condition didn't just impact Charles physically, it shaped his entire life, forcing him to adapt his daily routines and even his speech. Yet, he continued to live a full life, working as a farmer and raising a family.